We divide 855 by 3 in a long division method. 3 times 2 is 6. On subtracting, we get 2. So now we put down this 5 and it is 25. So 3 times 8 is 24. On subtracting, we get 1. So again we put down this 5 and it is 15. So 3 times 5 is 15. On subtracting, we get 0. So 855 divided by 3 is 285. So this much for today and thanks for watching.